Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to make a short video on making a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Now Canva is a free platform that you can pretty much make all your thumbnails, social media. So let's get right to it. And again, this is how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. All right. So either you can pick out a template, you can put social media, business, video marketing, or you can build your own. So we're going to build our own today. And here we go. So first things first, we get a template. Now this is already designed for your thumbnail. This is the size. And then what we'll do is I already uploaded all our content. So I'm going to take this thumbnail, put it here. I'll stretch it out. And what I did is I took a picture of myself. I took a couple of pictures and I just kind of grabbed the best one, and I kind of just had my finger pointing it up like this. All right, so here's my picture. Second thing is I'm doing a video on Sylvia. Sylvia is a platform. They build a website for you, and it's a USA fulfillment drop shipping platform. So here's the thumbnail. So we're going to put Sylvia, and then if we go here to elements, I'm going to grab this box. Okay, I'm going to keep it blue. I could spin it around. Bring this out a little bit. And then we're going to hit text. Add heading. Let me just go to my other video or my other thumbnail. We're going to copy this one right here. Let's just take a look at it. Okay, here it is. We are going to do this one right here. Okay, that's a Shopify one. Okay, here it is. Easiest business to start in 2023. Okay. Easiest. Oop, click. Easiest business to start. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Easiest business to start. Oops. In 2023. Okay, let's shrink this down. Oops. Okay, this shrinks the okay, let's turn it around. Let's squeeze it in here. Let's get that bottom. Oops, let's get that bottom text. Change the font, equal the same. Squeeze it in there. Perfect. Look how easy that was. I put my logo. Now this design we want to affect. We want to give it some background. Let's change the color to white. Boom. Let's bring it out a little bit. Gorgeous. Okay, let's bring this up a little bit. Perfect. Okay, easiest business to start in 2023. Let's grab another element. Boom. Let's see our other one. What does it say? For beginners. So we hit text. Heading for beginners. Okay, let's say for beginners. So we go to text and heading. Okay, let's change the color. This color. Slide it over. Hit effects. Change it to white. Transparent. Beautiful. Look how nice that is. Next, go to elements. Let's add this round button. Let's change the color to gray. Box. Let's hit text. USA drop shipping. Change the font. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Let's line it up. Perfect. Next, hit element one more time. Same box. Change the color. Text. 1 to 3 day shipping. Change the text. Beautiful. Slide that in. Perfect. Let's put the effect on this one. Hit effects. Here. Change the color to white. No. Black. Okay, looks good. Same thing here. Effects. Alright, awesome. Guys, there's our thumbnail. All done. Beautiful. Look how nice that looks. Alright, let's hit share. Download. And that's it. Download thumbnail. That's it, guys. There you have it. Alright, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep more content coming. We try to keep it real, we try to keep eye on the ball, and we just want to try to help everybody out there. And that's it. You guys have a great day, and thanks for stopping in.